Good evening, Dan. It's Sunday, June 13th, 2010, and that means new week, new topic. I have a number of things I disagree with you about on the last video, but we'll move on. This week I want to talk about the constitutionality of the individual mandate in the healthcare package. I, being a conservative, obviously believe that the individual mandate, which requires individuals to purchase health insurance or pay a large fine, is unconstitutional because it is a way for Congress to force people to buy something or engage in a stream of commerce regardless of their will. This is the first time in U.S. history that Congress has taken such a position. It's the first time Congress has forced individuals in the United States to engage in commerce regardless of whether they want to or not. Let's talk very briefly about what the individual mandate is. It's essentially Congress telling people that you have to buy a federally approved health insurance plan or you have to pay a fine on your taxes to offset. The reason they do this is because they want to, in the healthcare bill, prevent health insurance companies from denying people for pre-existing conditions. Now, in order to do this, they have to require that everyone has health insurance. Otherwise, people would just wait until they got sick, and then they would try to purchase health insurance, and health insurance companies wouldn't be able to deny them. This would result in the entire system crashing. So what they have to do is they have to require that everyone has health insurance. The only problem with this is it is forcing people to engage in commerce. Now, in terms of constitutionality, traditionally Congress has pretty broad powers under the Commerce Clause power to enact legislation, especially since the New Deal. Cases United States versus Darby and more recently Gonzalez versus Raich talk about how those powers are very broad, and Congress has used those powers since the New Deal to regulate all sorts of industry. The only problem is this regulation is very different in that it's not regulating interstate commerce so much as it is mandating a commerce that's not taking place. Congress has in the past passed laws which state that certain commerce is regulated by certain rules, but it's never required people to engage in commerce. I'm out of time for this video, but I'd like to hear your thoughts, and get back to me soon.